Local news for Friday the 3rd of August. Masterton District Council is firming up options for the district's future civic centre development. The earmarked $15.5 million for the facility is part of its recently adopted 2018 to 2028 long-term plan. Expressions of interest from parties wanting to be involved are now being called, and Mayor Lynn Patterson said she was expecting a range of different options to be brought to the table through the expression of interest process. 5 Masterton community groups have joined forces to investigate options for the redevelopment of Masterton's YMCA complex into a performing arts centre. Representatives, including the MCCT, both local theatres and MTLT, have formed a steering group to investigate the viability of redeveloping the building as a performing arts centre for use by theatre, drama and dance groups and other community organisations, including the YMCA. And in sport, a big day on the turf tomorrow at Trust House Memorial Park. Big crowds are expected for the promotion-relegation game. First up between Masterton Red Star and Pioneer at midday. And likewise the Chatham Cup quarter-final between Wairarapa United and Birkenhead with kick-off at 5 p.m.